Okay, here's a quick one. AC Pro. I had to come back and ask the customer, did you do anything with this car? So I was just starting on my last one to pick up some oil. It was time for a filter change. But as you can see, the drips of oil inside here. AC Pro. So AC Pro doesn't only can cause damage to your car or deplete your air conditioning performance, but when somebody sticks AC Pro and you got a lot of extra lubricant in the system and you go to hook up your $2,000, $1,000 refrigerant analyzer to it, this is what happens. And I had to ask the customer, where did you go to get your last recharge? Oh, I got a can of AC Pro. Well, when you have an extra 3 ounces of lubricant in a system that's small in the first place, you get this. Drip, drip, going down. And if you have a employee who doesn't monitor your expensive refrigerant identifier and he puts it on and it's going to take a minute or two for it to analyze and he walks away, I caught this before it got sucked up into the machine. I got it as it's just, this is the entering point and this is the exit. I got it before and I stopped it. It would have sucked this into my machine and destroyed my machine. AC Pro, leak stop, all that good stuff to make it cool. This is another reason why I hate this shit. If you guys are owners of shops and you buy expensive equipment or you recharge recovery equipment and you get a ton of other shit, especially when they put all the different leak sealers, some of the old leak sealers that turn into jello in the system when they're exposed to air and moisture. The newer ones aren't so bad, but the old ones would literally turn into a jello. And this is the result. Okay, that's it for now. But customer confessed to me, AC Pro. Thank you, AC Pro. You're great shit.